starts. This is me recording it. 2 days. I forgot to make this video, and I seasoned and everything, and I realized that my camera wasn't recording. So, and I did that 2 days ago. So, when you're watching this video, it's probably gonna be the next day, Super Bowl. So, I hope you enjoy your Super Bowl, and yeah, let's get into the video. Anyways, back to our thing. Now you can season it with black pepper or anything, but now for the main parts, is the wings. You don't want to overcrowd the flour, so just do a little bit if you want. You can put them in a separate bowl if you want, so it don't get overcrowded and stuff. So now you just want to, and don't ask me why, I like the seasoning, and I like to put flour in the bag because it's more helpful and better for me. Now you're gonna do a little shaky shake. Pat that off real quick, because you don't want it to be, you don't want it to burn. So now you're just gonna shake off these little wings right here, these flats. Comment down below if which one you like better, the wings, the flats, or the drums. I'm a drums man, you know what I'm saying? Now now when I finish done flouring these all, I'll get right back to you guys. That's what it is. Nice, juicy. This is a flat. This is a nice flat right here. And the seasonings that I put on the chicken is just black pepper, a little black pepper, a little cayenne pepper, and a little ginger and garlic. For the flour, I just put on the flour. I think I seasoned my flour, but I do not know what I seasoned it with, because my file corrupted. So when I was editing on my laptop, my file corrupted. I was mad. But yeah, comment down below who you got into the Super Bowl. I got the Chiefs. Now that I got all my chicken wings coated, well, nice. So heat up some oil, probably like 350 degrees. I don't have a thermostat to check that, so I got thing. If it floats around the corner, then you know the oil is hot. The more you know. And look at that. Bam. So, well, it's hot right now. Now you're just gonna nicely pat them off again, and then let it go swim. I don't care if you can swim, just get in. You're gonna leave these for approximately 8 minutes. Do not overcrowd the pot because the oil is gonna dip in temperature. So you want that nice golden brown crispiness for the sauce. Now I'll be back with you when I finish one. Who's hating on my fried chicken game? Everything is done right now. The wings is done. Wings is done, guys. When are you guys gonna stop by? When are you guys gonna come over for some wings, guys? Oh, now we gonna play this. Come on, let's go. Hate. Just be great. Don't hate on my wings game. Don't hate on my wing games, guys. I know I haven't been posting, but I gotta figure out my time schedule. But guys, buffalo right here, sweet chili right here. Enjoy. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy the Super Bowl, guys. that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoy this video. And I love you guys, and I'll catch you next time.